when you go back from here, understand that is it possible for you to play one game? Am I audible? No, ये खुद मेरे को echo कर रहा है.
नहीं ठीक है audible. It's okay. It's okay. Normally you can tell.
So, one sec. Thanks. I'll be very prudent and very transparent out here. What happened? I said when I'll give you 1 minute to strategize. Raj, क्या चल रहा था आपके? What was the strategy going on?
स्ट्रैटेजी तो हमारा चल रहा था कि हम एक बॉल उठा के लाए, लेकिन बाद में जो लोग बॉल वहाँ पे रखने के पहले ही इधर दूसरा 2 लोग बाहर रहे थे.
हाँ.
तो पूरा सब लोग अंदर आ गए.
So, okay. Now a question to all before. Please raise hands to answer. Is it possible that you play a game? A lot of cricket players, a lot of football players out here. For you to win, another team has to lose. Have you ever played a game where more than one team plays and more than one team wins at the very same time? Yes, no, maybe?
No.
The remaining was who are quiet. Do they mean to say yes? Okay, so I'm glad everyone is listening. Now, my next question is, it is possible that, can you put all the balls inside, one of you? And can all the captains take their rings in the hand? मैंने एक चीज़ बताया था आपको. Ma'am, can you please help from me? Just put all the balls inside. एक रिंग सेंटर में रखो. No problem. Friends, बिना आवाज के I want to talk about something out here. अरे where's the 5th ring? हाँ, एक सब कैप्टन के हाथ में अपनी रिंग होनी चाहिए. और एक रिंग था ना? Yeah, thank you bro. So my question is, अगर हम लोग ने सोचा होता a little out of the box, thinking that we all can compete with each other and win with each other. See, what's happening is you're playing in a silo. This team is playing with them. This team is playing with them. This team, मुझे उससे हराना है. यहाँ पे कुछ तो भी थिंकिंग चल रहा था. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर्म हो रहा था. बट क्या हुआ कि ये लोग ने भागना चालू कर, ये और ये टीम ने भागना चालू कर दिया, तो ये लोग ने भी सब छोड़ के भागना चालू कर दिया. So you guys both, maybe I was seeing some incremental difference for the first minute and a half, and after 90 seconds when these guys went rowdy, he also went rowdy. Okay, sorry for the words. Now I want each of you to put the ring on top of it together. So all captains please. Have all of you met your list? Yes, no, maybe? No. आपको सब लोग को मैंने एक लिस्ट दिया था. वो लिस्ट भी कॉमन था. मैंने जानबूझ के साथ में नहीं बताया. Why साथ में नहीं बताया? Because it would have become very, like, you know, your thinking would have, at least you would have started communicating. See, what's happening is no one's communicating. मैंने ना थोड़ी बोला था आप लोग बात नहीं कर सकते. Did I say captains can't talk? If the captains would have spoken to each other, if the captains would have traded with each other, if the captains were ready to negotiate, you could have, किसी को भागना नहीं पड़ता. All of you would have been standing nicely, and you know, we would have done the activity in the first 90 seconds itself. Nobody would have ran. No one got hurt, right? I hope the ground is very good here. किसी को लगी नहीं ना, please. Thank God, no injuries. So, what I want you to think out here is, stop thinking and working in a silos. It is perfectly fine to speak to a peer. It is perfectly fine. And it's okay. Trust me, your boss will not say no. कि यार, you're discussing your issue with somebody else. He or she will be happy कि यार ये बात कर रहा है. See the amount of mails you send, marking 10 to 15 other people in your CC. If you are a boss, for example, if you handle a team of say 10 people or 15 people, and they are writing emails to you, means they are marking you in the CC. The mail which is marked to, every use is Outlook, right? Or you use Linux? What do you use? Outlook. Okay, Windows. So when you use Outlook, I'm sure there are formulas kept के CC में गया तो सब folders में जाएगा, और 2 में आया तो फिर inbox में आएगा. Yes, no, maybe. How many of you follow that? Yes. Only 1, 2. Yes. Okay, all, but सिर्फ हाथ धीरे धीरे ऊपर आ रहे, ठीक है. So my point is, सिर्फ 2 में जो मेल आते हैं वो हम लोग पढ़ते हैं और वो फटाफट रिप्लाई करते हैं. बाकी सब आके जब भी टाइम है ना तभी. Yes, no, maybe? Yes. Guys, I want you to answer yourself. And it's okay if you can be loud. Trust me, today whatever happens in offside stays in offside, and all good things go back to your home and to your offices. Now, what I want to think is that, just imagine if you would have spoken to that person, close the issue right there. As discussed, this is closed for documentation purpose. You have written to him or her, and the issue is settled and not marked to other people. The benefit out here is you're saving time to those people. Second benefit, you're saving on the bandwidth, which is a tangible benefit to the organization, which the IT team will be very happy. Prasad sir and Manish will be very happy. Manish sir will be like, wow यार, I mean वो bandwidth महीने के end में जो billing आता है ना, trust me, end of the month billing आता है, हम लोग को पता चलता है कितना bandwidth जा रहा है. I've been a part of it and I know the incremental difference is huge. So मजा आया? Did you all enjoy it? Yes. Did anyone, किसी को समझ में नहीं आया? So आज से ऐसा सोच सकते हैं कि हम लोग किसी के साथ compete करते हैं तो compete करके भी जीत सकते हैं. Possible है? Yes. So everyone said no last time. Like, do you all agree to disagree? Wow. So now we have 4 teams, 1, 2, 3, 4. Before I announce the next activity, I want to announce the winners is the team Bahubali. So like all